Mathematics 3. Determine the appropriate unit of measure for measuring the capacity of containers. Encircle the letter that gives a better estimate of the capacity of each container. 1. 2. 3. 'Read the following words. Capacity. Milliliters. Liters. Greater capacity. Less capacity. Graduated cylinders. What is the capacity of each measuring spoon? Which of the two measuring tools has a greater capacity? 1 liter graduated cylinder. 1 milliliter measuring spoon. It is the 1 liter graduated cylinder. How many 1 milliliter of water can fill a 1 liter graduated cylinder? Why? It takes 1,000 milliliters to fill a 1 liter graduated cylinder. It is because 1,000 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. 1 liter equal to 1,000 ml. This is a container with a capacity of blank liter. Determine the capacity of the container with the use of 50 milliliters measuring spoon. Table 1. Capacity using a 50 milliliter spoon. Look at this picture. We are using a small scoop that can hold 50 milliliters of water. If we keep adding scoops, we can fill bigger containers. Let's see what happens. 10 scoops of 50 milliliters. 50 times 10 equals 500 milliliters. 20 scoops of 50 milliliters. 50 times 20 equals 1,000 milliliters. 30 scoops of 50 milliliters. 50 times 30 equals 1,500 milliliters. 40 scoops of 50 milliliters. 50 times 40 equals 2,000 milliliters. At 40 scoops the container is filled with water. So, by using a 50 milliliters measuring spoon for 40 times, we measured the capacity of the big container. How many times did you pour water using the 50 milliliter spoon? We poured the water using the 50 milliliter spoon 40 times, which is equal to 2,000 milliliters. How can we express 2000 milliliters in liters? We can express 2000 milliliters as 1000 milliliters. We know that 1000 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. 1 liter plus 1 liter equals 2 liters. 2000 milliliters equals 2 liters. This is a container with a capacity of blank liter. Determine the capacity of the container. Use a 1 liter graduated cylinder. Table 2. Capacity using a 1 liter graduated cylinder. Look at this picture. We are now using a bigger measuring tool. This graduated cylinder can hold 1000 milliliters or 1 liter at once. If we pour one container of 1000 milliliters, that is the same as 1 liter. The big container is half full. If we pour 2 containers of 1000 milliliters, 1000 milliliters times 2 equals 2000 milliliters. That is the same as 2 liters. Now the big container is completely full. How many times did you pour water using the 1 liter graduated cylinder? We poured the water using the 1 liter graduated cylinder 2 times. This is a container with a capacity of blank ml. Determine the capacity of the container. Use a 50 milliliters measuring spoon. Table 3. Capacity using a 50 milliliters spoon. Look at this picture. We are using a small scoop that can hold 50 milliliters of water. If we keep adding scoops, we can fill this containers. Let's see what happens. 1 scoops of 50 milliliters. 50 times 1 equals 50 milliliters. 2 scoops of 50 milliliters. 50 times 2 equals 100 milliliters. 3 scoops of 50 milliliters. 50 times 3 equals 150 milliliters. 4 scoops of 50 milliliters. 50 times 4 equals 200 milliliters. So, by using a 50 milliliters measuring spoon 4 times, we measured the capacity of the container, which is 200 milliliters. How many times did you pour water using the 50 milliliters spoon? We poured the water using the 50 milliliters spoon 4 times. This is a container with a capacity of blank ml. Determine the capacity of the container. Use a 1 liter graduated cylinder. What happened when I poured 1 liter of water into the container? Some water spilled over. What does this mean? The container is too small. It can only hold around 200 milliliters. But we tried to put 1000 milliliters in it. That's much more than its capacity. In this case, The more appropriate standard unit of measurement to use for a small container with a capacity of less than 1 liter is milliliters. So, which unit of measure is more appropriate to use for reporting the capacity of large containers? Liters.